Hi guys, in today's video we are gonna talk about Ruppur Atomic Power Plant.
Yes.
As a part of our speaking English practice, we talk about different topics.
Yes.
I have with me
Amrito
Saha, who can speak better. I think his voice is, everything is far better than me.
No.
No?
No.
Okay, Amrito Saha. So where is it? Where is the Ruppur Atomic Power Plant?
It is in Ruppur at Ruppur of Ishordi Upazila in Pabna district on the bank of the river Podda and 87 miles west of Dhaka.
Thank you. And which company is constructing it?
Nuclear reactor and critical infrastructure are built by the Russian Rosatom State Atomic Energy Corporation. So it is built by Russian Rosatom State Atomic Energy Corporation.
And we are so happy that a Russian company is working here for us.
Yes.
And how many people are in total working over there for the company?
In the main construction period, the total number of employees will reach 12,500, including 2,500 specialists from Russia.
Oh my God, that's a very
Huge number.
huge number. So when was the construction work started? When was it started?
It is started in 30th November in 2017.
Good. And how much money? What's the project expenditure? Approximate or in total? How much money will it need to complete?
It will need 12.65 billion US dollar to complete it.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
12.65 billion US dollar.
Oh my God. Maybe it's 4 times bigger than the
Yes.
cost of Podda Bridge,
Yes,
right?
yes, of course.
Okay, so we should be very proud of it. And okay, so who is the owner? Who is the owner and who is the operator?
Yes.
Who is the owner and operator of this company?
The owner of the project is Bangladesh Atomic Energy Commission and the operator of the project is Nuclear Power Plant Company Bangladesh Limited.
Okay, thank you, Amrito.
Thank you, sir, and viewers as well.
Okay, and hopefully we are meeting again in our next video, okay?
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Bye.